Hi, good evening to all. Today's topic is all about how to find the sales, the debtors, closing stock, and the creditors value. It comes under ratio analysis in management accounting. So important in exam point of view. Here is a problem through which we are going to solve this problem. Directly we are moving to problem. First we need to convert the debtors velocity to the debtors turnover ratio. If you want to convert months into times, we need to divide by 3 in a number of months. If we divide 12 by 3, we can get 4 times. The 12 denotes for number of months in a year. As well as creditors velocity 2 months. If we need to convert them into times, we need to divide by 2. So 12 by 2 equal to 6 times. Now we are going to calculate the sales. The title would be calculation of sales. Gross profit ratio is given in the problem as 25%. Gross profit value is also given in the problem as 4 lakh. Through which we need to find out the sales value. Gross profit is 25, which means if we have the sales value are 100, of it we get 25% profit. So when sales are 100, we can get a gross profit 25. But we have the gross profit is 4,000. So what would be the sales? If we divide 4 lakh divide by 25 and multiple with 100, we can get 16 lakh. It is our sales value. Next, calculation of closing stock. To find out closing stock, we need to know cost of goods sold. COGS formula is sales minus the gross profit. Sales and gross profit values are given in sales value just before we have found it. Gross profit value is given in the problem. If you apply it, we can get a GOGS as 12 lakh. Stock turnover ratio is given in the problem as 8 times. Stock turnover ratio formula is COGS divided by average stock equal to 8. So the COGS just before calculated. So put it the GOGS value as 12 lakh divided by average stock equal to 8. So if we cross multiple this, we can get a 8 average stock equal to 12,000. If we solve it, if you simplify this further, we can get average stock as 1,50,000. It is not a final stock; it is average stock. So let the opening stock be X. We can take the opening stock as X. So the closing stock is closing stock so closing stock is more than opening stock, right? 1,000 times more than 1,000 is the closing stock. That's why the closing stock be X plus 10,000. How to calculate average stock? Average stock equal to the opening stock plus the closing stock divided by 2. In the place of opening stock, we can put it X, and in the place of closing stock, we have to put X plus 10,000. Average stock just before we have calculated as 1,50,000. That is equal to X plus 10,000 divided by 2. If we cross multiple 2 into the 1,50,000, we can get 3 lakh. And the X plus X 2X plus 10,000. If we simplify further, we can get X value as 1,45,000. We took X as opening stock, so the X value is opening stock. That is 1,45,000. So if we calculate the opening stock, we can now calculate the closing stock easily. X plus the 10,000 is the closing stock. In the place of X, we can put in the 1,45,000. We can get in the closing stock as 1,55,000. Next, moving forward to calculate the calculation of Teta's. Teta's turnover ratio equal to 4 times. We have calculated from Teta's velocity as to the Teta's turnover ratio as 4 times. Teta's turnover ratio formula is net credit sales divided by average Teta's. But we don't have credit sales under the average Teta's. So we will consider as sales by closing Teta's equal to 4. We have calculated the sales value as 16 lakh. We don't know the closing stock. That is equal to 4 times. If you cross multiple this, we can get closing Teta's as 4 lakh. Closing Teta's means Teta's plus bills receivable. But we don't have bills receivable. So we will directly take this as Teta's as 4 lakh. Next, moving forward to calculate creditors. The same procedure is followed here to calculate the same procedure now followed by Teta's. That procedure now will be followed by to find out creditors. Calculations of creditors is a title. Creditors turnover ratio is equal to 6 times. We have calculated from creditors velocity as 6 times. Creditors turnover ratio formula is net credit purchases divided by average creditors. So we don't have credit purchases and average creditors. So we have to calculate the purchase value. For that we have the formula cost of goods sold equal to opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. We have opening stock and closing stock values as well as COGS value. So put them in the formula. We can get a purchases value as 12,10,000. So we don't have net credit purchases and average creditors. So we have to alternate formulas. Purchases divided by closing creditors equal to 6. So purchases value just before calculated as 12,10,000 and closing creditors equal to 6. If we cross multiple this, we can get close creditors equal to 20,000 201,667. But we don't have the bills payable, so we don't need to reduce the bills payable from the close creditors. We can consider as the final creditors value as 2 lakh 1,667. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.